Amresh, the priest said that he'll be coming here at 10 a.m. for the ritual.
Appa? Appa, the priest will be here any minute. I think we need more yogurt.
Yes, Mom. I have sent Shom to bring it, so he is gone.
Here he comes. Dad, come. Come, Dad. Sit. Listen,
Come sit. Dad.
Appa, bring some tea for Dad.
No, I don't want to drink tea. I'm not in the mood for
Sit
it.
down. Careful.
Okay.
Careful.
Well, Bratin,
Yes, Dad?
you went with Animesh yesterday, right? I mean, what did Sushmita said?
Dad, let's not discuss all this now. What I feel is that patience will be required. Time will fix the dent.
Grandfather, here, have some tea.
No.
Have some, please. You'll
Please
feel
have some
better.
tea,
Take
Mama.
this, take this.
Let me help you.
Your angry grandson is here. Maybe he wants to ask for forgiveness. Yes, maybe he's out of words. Just look there. He's standing there frozen. Look there. Take it.
Why are you here? Do you need anything?
Grandpa, I'm very sorry, Grandpa. Yesterday,
Save it. I don't want to talk about it.
But we cannot overlook all of this. Please explain, what is my daughter's fault? Deepa had already accepted Ratul as her husband in her heart. Sorry. You can't reverse the situation with a sorry, Sid.
Lata. Why are you crying over it? What's done is done. Tears can't solve your problem.
What can I do other than crying? Whenever I think of what happened yesterday, it all feels like a nightmare. We were all having such a great time. Singing, dancing, laughing.
I'm saying I'm sorry. I don't know what happened to me yesterday.
Have I returned home like this? Please tell me. Yeah, I've returned home late from the office, but this way...
I'm really very sorry.
There are certain situations where your sorry cannot work.
You are absolutely right, Sulata. Whatever you did yesterday, Sid, we can't forgive you for that. Trust me, yesterday I thought I'll scold you a lot. But then I realized it's pointless. As that day you clearly told me that I have no right to talk to you anything about Torsha. Actually, you know what, Sid? You don't even know what family means. But the thing is, the members of this family still consider you as the eldest son. When they got to know that you are married, they have some expectations from you as son. But they don't know that there is a conflict between you and your wife.
Do you know why Rajesh's mom was here yesterday? She came here to bless you and Mithai as a couple. And what did she see? You coming home drunk shamelessly with a girl like Torsha.
Uncle, I don't know in what way and how many times do I have to say that I'm very sorry. Yesterday I made a huge mistake. I'm sorry. Look, I love Nipa a lot. I don't express it, but I know Nipa is the youngest in this house. I'll never want Nipa's marriage to fall apart.
Then why you didn't return home on time? Utter a word. Why return like that? Have you no shame? You could have said that you were stuck somewhere. What? Your problem is to accept Mithai as your wife in front of others, right?
Leave it, Dad. Don't ask him any more questions. We know exactly why he was late yesterday and why he was in that situation. Because he didn't want to stand beside Mithai as a husband. You know why we are feeling the pain? Because the youngest in the house is Nipa and she has to suffer the grief. Ask your uncle. Tell him what Sushmita was asking you. Say, was she not asking what kind of relationship Sid and Torsha have? In fact, Sushmita also said that how dare Torsha hold your hand and take you upstairs to your room in front of Mithai.
Actually, Rajiv's mom is a headmistress. She works with some feminist groups and clubs. And she thought that Mithai is being deprived of her rights. And none of us disagree with her on this. So she won't accept a girl of this family as his son's wife.
You are saying that she thought? What she said is it's the truth. What is happening isn't right.
You know what's the problem, Appa? None of us are involved in it.
Wow, Sulata. Wow. You know why you're saying this today? Because your daughter's marriage is broken. You remember that day when I said to everyone that if Torsha comes to this house, it will be wrong against Mithai. And that time, none of you supported me. No one from you all. See today, you have to face the consequences of the seed you've sown.
Aunt, I admit it was my fault. Why are you blaming others because of me?
What's the point now to play this blame game? Everything is already finished. The girl's life is completely ruined. And can anyone do anything to make it better? Tell me.
Yes, Aunt, we can. We can. Please give me a chance. We will surely fix it.
Who will fix it?
We will. No, I mean to say, new son-in-law's mother was here to bless us, right? So if this time we go to her to take her blessings, then I'm sure she will forgive us.
I think what Mithai is saying is absolutely right. What do you think, Mom?
Yes, I also think so. I think if Mithai and Siddharth visit their house, then whatever Shushmita thinks about their marriage, she might change her thoughts. So, what do you say?
That is what I'm saying, grandmother. Headmistress will surely forgive us.
Enough! I said, I'll fix everything. Nobody has to come with me. If the damage is caused by me, then I will do the damage control too.
Fine then, it's sorted. Again, Mr. Bitterguard will say something bitter. Things can't be sorted this way. In fact, now things will turn bitter. Oh, Sister Nipa.
Nipa! Hey, now what happened?
Shri, I hope Brother Sid doesn't make the situation worse. Brother once told me that I shouldn't be getting married. Then why am I getting married?
Okay, listen, brother won't be able to handle everything by himself because it isn't easy to fool aunt. She will ask him 2 questions and will understand everything. That's why we will send Mithai and Sid together.
Mr. Bitterguard won't take Mithai along with him. If he want to take me, then he would have taken me.
Oh, class 9, 10, 11 and 12 has started, right? The school is open again, isn't it?
Yes, right.
Your mother, she has to correct so many papers now.
Yes.
So many papers. Isn't it pressure has increased, right?
Come to the point.
Yes, I mean,
If you want to talk about Ratul and Nipa's marriage, then I don't have time now.
no, I want to say Siddharth is very firmly established. And nowadays, everybody boos a little. What is the big deal in this?
I see. On the day of the festival, returning home drunk, holding his girlfriend's hand, that too in front of his wife, how do you justify that? Will you say that this is also a culture? Very well. If you all think that this is right, then take your elder son, go to that house, and give your blessings to Nipa. I'll go to Durgapur and I think that will solve the problem.
Uncle,
Who's there?
may I come in?
Oh, Siddharth. Welcome. Come, please, come in. Come inside, please. See who is here, Sushmita. Come inside, come. Please, have a seat. Sushmita, see who's here. Hey, what happened? Why are you standing? Sit, come on.
Actually, Aunt, I'm here to apologize for yesterday's incident. I'm very sorry. Aunt, please forgive me this time, please.
Sit down.
No, Aunt, I'm here to talk about another topic actually.
I asked you to sit down. First sit down, then I will listen to you. Nanda, bring tea and water for him. He doesn't eat sweets. See what is there in the kitchen. What happened? I asked you to sit, so sit down.
Actually, Aunt, I want to talk to you about something else. I'll leave as soon as I'm done.
See, Siddharth, I've been teaching for many years. I understand very well what people want to say. I can also understand why you are here.
You are here to ask me to not break Nipa and Ratul's marriage, right?
But I can't accept your request, Siddharth. Sorry.
Hey, why are you being so rude? You already asked for forgiveness.
Mom, Siddharth doesn't really apologize to anyone. When he's asking for your forgiveness, then why don't you forgive him? Please.
Rajiv, I'm not angry just because he was drunk. There are other reasons too. Siddharth, you're married, right? Yesterday, I had come to your house to bless you and Mithai for your wedding. How could you return home with your girlfriend? That too in front of your wife?
Aunt, you're getting it all wrong. Torsha is my business school's friend and also my colleague. And I don't understand how is Nipa and Ratul's marriage concerned with this? See, Aunt, I request you, please don't punish Nipa for my faults. Nipa is already very upset.
Nipa is in pain. That's why you're here. And Mithai? Your wife? Is she not sad because of your behavior, Siddharth?
Aunt, she's fine. Aunt, believe me, she doesn't have any problem in our house. You may ask her if you want.
Okay. I will do that. Do something. Please come again with Mithai. Siddharth, how well you keep Mithai will ensure Ratul and Nipa's marriage. Siddharth, I don't support wrong actions. If I figure out that you are not giving your wife the respect she deserves, then I don't want to keep any relation with your family. A marriage is not only a bond between two humans. A marriage is a bond between two families.
Oh dear. It's so annoying. Who knows what is happening in the new son-in-law's house? What Mr. Bittergaard is doing over there? Can't we make a call and ask?
No, Mithai. Have patience. Maybe Brother Sid is talking to them over this matter. We can't call him now.
Forget it. I can't take this stress anymore. Let me go downstairs. No. Listen, please. What will I do by sitting and taking stress here? Let me go downstairs. It's better I go and take a picture. I haven't even taken a single picture since yesterday. I am going.
Well, it's done. Hashtag family festival.
Listen, serial brother. See, my heart is beating so fast. I cannot take this stress anymore. Let me just straightway call up new son-in-law. Whatever will happen will happen.
No way.
Wait.
Mithai, please listen to me. Don't call him.
Mithai,
Wait a
See,
little.
this is the number, right?
Yes, this number. But please don't call him right
listen.
now.
The Lord will help us. Oh Lord, please help us.
Mithai, listen, please.
It's ringing.
Okay.
Ringing.
Give it to me.
Hey.
Hello?
Hello? Hello, Ratul. What is happening over there? Where is Brother Sid?
Put the phone on speaker, please.
Yes.
Yes, we can't take any more stress.
Ratul? Please say you're on speaker.
Sandeep, I am in the other room. I don't know what is happening there.
As long as I was there, Mom had totally made Siddharth speechless.
Brother, you're here? And everything is getting ruined over there.
As much as I've heard, Mom has completely destroyed Siddharth. Almost like she'll fire a cannon any minute. Who's on the phone?
Sandeep.
Hola Party. Put them on the speaker. Come on.
Hey, Sandeep, speaker is on. Brother will talk to you.
Yes, hello?
Yes, elder son-in-law. It's us. This is why I asked Mr. Bittergaard to take me along. He just don't listen to me. Now what will we say to Sister Nipa? This is why I call him with the name of Mr. Bittergaard. He only do what he thinks right. Mithai has been running a business till now. So Mithai knows very well how to talk to people. Actually, you need to talk sweetly and not bitterly at all. Then Mr. Bittergaard must have...
I haven't said anything since morning. That doesn't mean I won't.
Oh my lord. Lord
There's always a limit for everything. Who asked you to call here? Please tell me.
No, Sid. Not only Mithai.
We are also worried. Tension and curiosity aren't the same, okay? Drop the call now.
Oof. Always that thing happens. What we fear the most. Well, you guys tell me one thing. What did our new son-in-law say? He said that he's sitting in another room. Then why does Mr. Bitterguard have to go there? Anyway, good that nothing went wrong. The Lord has saved us. I have lots of work to do. I have to go now. That means Mr. Bitterguard couldn't do anything fruitful and showed his anger on Mithai.
Hello, baby. Hi. How are you? All good?
No, Mom. Nothing is fine. I thought something and what happened was all wrong. Mom, I'm really missing you. Mom, I'm missing you a lot.
Oh, baby, I miss you too. But tell me what happened. What did you think? What went wrong, Tess?
Mom, yesterday there was some celebration in Sid's house. And you remember Sid's cousin Neepa? We both were invited for a marriage fixing date. Neepa's would-be mother-in-law was over here to bless Sid and Mithai together as a couple.
Is it so?
Yes, Mom. And can you imagine Sid and Mithai posing as a couple and behaving as a couple? And Mom, can you imagine all of that I had to see and bear? Mom, I cannot let this happen at all.
Tell me, what did you do then? You must have tricked Sid and took him somewhere else.
You all saw in the video call that Siddharth is coming home. That means the situation is still the same. Please advise me how to handle the Neepa situation. Tell me. I knew it. All of this is Tosha's fault. I know. Yesterday, Tosha tricked Siddharth intentionally.
Exactly. But Aunt, how to solve it now? You know, as long as Tosha will be here, million other problems like this will come up, you see? I just don't understand, how can a human being be so shameless? Aunt?
Yes?
Come this side. Look at Mithai. Even after all this, she's taking breakfast for Tosha.
You come with me. Where are you going? You're taking breakfast for Tosha, right? Where is Lakshmi's mom? And why are you going?
Actually, Aunt is washing dishes. She has lots of work to do. That's why I'm carrying it. If the food is served late, then there can be questions like the guest was not taken care of, and there will be problems for that. And I'm not at all in the mood for quarrels. When I first came in this house, everybody was so happy and cheerful. I felt like the Lord has sent me to the right place. But then everything turned wrong. All because of me. I don't know why the Lord did this.
Mithai, can you please tell me what are your plans? And why are you doing all of this? Give it to me.
No, Aunt. Why will you go? I will take it.
I said just give it to me. You will go and Tosha will again say something toxic to you. I can't take it anymore, Mithai. You come with me, Shri.
Okay. Tess, what have you done, my child? Why haven't you stopped him? You took him to the restaurant where he got drunk, and then you hurt him in the weakest point and made him mentally stressful? Why did you do this? Sid will understand you intentionally didn't let him come home. It will be clearly visible to him. What you did was not right. Literally, Tess.
Mom, I don't know what else I could have done. After coming home, Sid would have acted as per his grandpa's words and would have taken blessings as a couple.